Hello, in this video, we will begin to introduce GUI programming using Python tkinter. tkinter enables you to develop comprehensive GUI graphic user interface and is an excellent pedagogical tool for learning object-oriented programming. There are many GUI modules available for developing GUI programs in Python. You have used the Total module for drawing geometric shapes. Total is easy to use and is an effective pedagogical tool for introducing the fundamentals of programming to beginners. However, its capability is limited to drawing lines, shapes, and text strings. You cannot use Total to create GUIs. This chapter introduces tkinter, which will enable you to develop comprehensive GUI projects. tkinter is not only a useful tool for developing GUI projects, but it is also a valuable pedagogical tool for learning object-oriented programming. We will begin to introduce how to write programs using tkinter in the next video.